Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetarian pho. We'll start by building a rich, aromatic broth, which is the heart of any great pho. Then, we'll select the perfect plant-based proteins and fresh vegetables to complement it. Finally, I'll show you how to assemble and garnish your bowl for an authentic and satisfying meal. Get ready to create a comforting and flavorful dish. The secret to amazing vegetarian pho lies in the broth. Begin by roasting your aromatics like onions and ginger until slightly charred. Then, add them to a large pot with water and key spices such as star anise, cinnamon sticks, and black cardamom. Let this simmer gently for at least 2 hours, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Strain the broth for a perfectly clear and fragrant base. Once your broth is ready, it's time to prepare the other components. Cook your rice noodles until just tender, then rinse them. Slice your chosen plant-based protein like firm tofu or various mushrooms into thin pieces. Arrange fresh garnishes such as bean sprouts, cilantro, basil, and sliced chilies in separate bowls. Warm your serving bowls, then you're ready to assemble your delicious pho. To serve, place a portion of cooked rice noodles into each warm bowl. Arrange your chosen proteins and fresh vegetables on top. Carefully ladle the piping hot broth over everything, ensuring all ingredients are submerged. Offer traditional condiments like sriracha and hoisin sauce on the side. Don't forget a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice and a sprinkle of fresh herbs for that perfect finishing touch. Enjoy your homemade vegetarian pho.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.